Welcome all of you. In this video I am going to explain on the topic soil profile. So firstly, soil, it is a major part of the natural environment vital to the existence of life on the planet. Soil is the result of a process of the gradual breakdown of a rock such as a weathering and erosion. So soil is made up from four constituents, that is a mineral matter, organic matter, material, water and air. So mineral matter comprises 45%, then organic material 5%, soil water 25% and soil air 25%. See, so definition of soil profile. It is the vertical section of the soil showing the various layers from the surface to the unaffected parent material. The soil profile is one of the most important concepts in soil science. See how different horizons are enveloped in soil profile, that is soil. See components of the soil profile. A soil horizon makes up a distinct layer of a soil. The soil profile extends from the soil surface to the parent rock material. The regolith includes all of the weathered material within the profile. The regolith has two components, that is soil and saprolite. Humus, that is topsoil, and subsoil containing soil, that is horizon A and B, collectively known as the soil, and weathered rock fragments, that is the saprolite, and last one is the bedrock. Soil, the soil includes upper horizons with the most weathered portion of a profile, that is surface and subsoil layers, that is O, horizon A and horizon B. Saprolite, the saprolite is the least weathered portion that lies directly above the solid parent bedrock. See different master horizons. Horizons based on color, roots, structure, rock fragments. Master horizons are depicted by a capital letter in order from top to down. That is, the master horizons are horizon O, A, E, B, C and R. O horizon, surface horizon, that is comprised of organic material at various stages of decomposition. Surface layer at depths of 0 to 2 feet, dark in color, soft in texture. Leaf litter, leaves, needles, twigs, moss, lichen that are not decomposing. Humus, rich organic materials of a plant and animal origin in a stage of a decomposition. Then horizon A, topsoil or biomental horizon, largely consists of a mineral topmost layer of a mineral soil at depth of 2 to 10 feet. Some humus present darker in color than layer below. Then horizon E, the leaching layer horizon, small layer between A and B horizon at depth of 10 to 15 feet. Light in color, mainly sand and silt. Poor mineral and clay content due to leaching, the loss of water retaining plant nutrients to the water table. Soil particles larger than in A horizon but smaller than in a B horizon. B horizon, the subsoil horizon at depth of 10 to 30 feet, rich in clay and mineral like iron and aluminium. Some organic material may reach here through leaching. Plant roots can extend into this layer, red-brown in color due to oxides of iron and clay. Then C horizon, the saprolite horizon at depth of 30 to 40 feet, made up of large rocks or lumps of a partially broken bedrock, last affected by weathering and have changed the least since their origin. Divide of organic matter due to it being so far down in the soil. On horizon, it is the bedrock horizon at depth of 48 feet, deepest soil horizon in the soil profile, continuous mass of bedrock. Colors are those of original rock of the area. So friends, in the soil profile, a horizon E elevation process takes place, that is in the horizon E horizon. Elevation means washing out. It is the process of removal of constituents in suspension or solution by the percolating water from the upper lower layers. So this E horizon is known as the leaching layer, that is the washing out takes place of the constituents. So this horizon is known as the alluvial horizon. Then elevation in B horizon, elevation takes place. Elevation means the horizon formed by this deposition, that is the process of deposition of soil materials removed from the alluvial horizon in the lower layer is known as the elevation. So see, this is soil profile. O horizon, that is loose and partly decayed organic matter, that is the topmost horizon. Then A horizon, that is mineral matter mixed with some humus. Then E horizon, light colored mineral particle zone of elevation and leaching. Then B horizon, accumulation of clay transported from above horizon, that is the elevation takes place in this horizon. Then C horizon, partially altered parent material. Then horizon A and horizon B is known as the soil column. And last one is the bedrock, that is the unweathered parent material. So in this video we have seen the definition of soil profile, then different master horizons, how soil profile form, what are the different horizons. Horizon means it is the horizontal layer which is having a different characteristics. That is horizon A, O, A, E, B, C and R. These are the different horizons in that soil profile. Thank you friends.